Without the Rain, for Marla and Julie P. Without the rain, there are no rainbows, and without those, where would the leprechauns find the pots of gold? Without the rain, the flowers would not grow. Well, irrigation might flow, but I don't think so. Without the rain, what would the romantics be walking through and in? Imagine the semantics. I'm walking in the dry again. Without the rain, no baseball games would ever be rained out. That sounds good to me, but really, that is not what this is about. Without the rain, painting wet into the hue, what would we do? Would the skies ever turn gray, or would they stay blue? Without the rain, the only thing I know would hardly change is how much I love and appreciate you, water, and look forward to drinking you, being with you again.